I want to show you something that I actually do. This is not theory, this is not a framework, this is something that I've been doing after making quite some mistakes, and I'm doing it every time I create a digital product. The whole process takes about 60 minutes, but you can even make it shorter if you use AI to help you in the process. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to find a profitable product idea and whether it's worth building it so that you don't waste time building something that will never make you money. Before we continue, I want to make sure that we are in the same page. Now, by idea, I mean something that will give someone results and an idea that will make someone open their wallet and say, I want to buy now. That is what I'm calling a profitable offer. So here is the method. I call it the 4 research source sweep, and it takes about 60 minutes if you know what you're looking for. It helps you uncover exactly what people out there are desperate in solving. A coach I know used to come across during her discovery calls. She used to get these inquiries from people, and they would go like, I don't know where to start. Notes, they were not saying, I want strategies or I want to grow my business. They were specific on, I don't know where to start. So she created a guide and called it Start Here, the 5-step to start your coaching business. And guess what? Because she understood the pain of everyone who was coming to her call, she was able to create a product that sold very well because it spoke to the results that these people were looking for. And it's that simple. So the first place that you need to look for ideas of the products that you can create is within your DMs, within the calls that you've had with your prospects, from your emails, the interactions that you've had with others. That is the first place that you start to look for ideas before you go anywhere else. That is your first source. So your action now is to look into the conversations that you've already had with your leads, with your prospects, and start from there. The second source of a profitable offer is social media groups. Join Facebook groups that are related to your niche, Reddit, LinkedIn communities, any other communities out there that people rant in. So these are places where people speak about their pain and they're looking for solutions. And people within those groups are able to help one another. And that can be a very good opportunity for you to actually be able to get ideas and validate your offer even before you create it. So your action again, go and join those groups, join those communities and interact with people there. Look for posts that are related to something that you're interested in and see the comments that people are making. And you will be able to come up with very, very profitable ideas from those groups. The third place that most people ignore, and they are rich with a lot of good ideas, is your competitors' sites. Go to your competitors' site, maybe like a page or Amazon or something where they post their content or where they sell from, and look for reviews. And don't go for the 5-star reviews. Go for the 3, the 4-star reviews where people are pouring out their frustrations or giving reviews. For example, this was good, but I wish it included 1, 2, 3. Now that is an idea for you to be able to come up with whatever is missing in the market. The other source that you need to check out is on YouTube and podcasts. Now this is where people who engage and motivated people go, and they are able to leave honest comments. For example, they would tell the podcaster to create a podcast on this topic or create a video on this topic, and you can take advantage of that and come up with a good offer that will be able to cater for both that person who is happy with the content as it is and the person who is also looking for what is missing. Now, once you're done with your research and you've come up with ideas that keep coming up in different sources, you need to validate it. And validating means you need to make sure that it's marketable. People can buy it. So this is what you do. Now, these are the signals that should tell you that this product is good built and people are ready to buy it. The first one is the pain appears in different sources. If you go to YouTube and you go to Facebook and find people are commenting on the same issue, then that tells you that the demand is there, the need is there, and people are willing to pay to get a solution for it. The second signal is that the language being used in these comments is emotional. For example, I wish I could be able to do one, two, three. Or I've been struggling with this for months. You get the emotional bit of it. That tells you that people are ready to get rid of the problem that they're having. And the third signal is that people already buy such products. But in this case, there are gaps, and you get the gaps from the reviews that people leave. So those are the three signals that you need to use to finalize on a good and profitable offer. Now you have the research method and you have the three signals that will give you a profitable offer. The next step is creating the digital product. The next step you need to go to is creating, structuring, and launching your digital product. I've put together a guide that walks you through the entire process: how to research for profitable offers like I did show you today, how to validate, and how to actually create it fast using some ready-made AI prompts that fits into any niche. The link is in the description if you're ready to go from idea to ready to sell. And if you found this helpful, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.